Hey everyone, Michele Lewane here. Today's question is, why do I have to job search? You have to job search when you are on light duty. The doctor says you can do some work but can't go back to your old job, and you're not under an award order. The why is it's the law, it's required. The rationale behind it is if you are capable of working, they don't want the insurance carrier to have to pay you a weekly check if you're not making an effort to look for work. It's to save the insurance company money. Many times people are not under an award order and we filed for a hearing. So people are asking, I'm not getting paid, so why do I have to job search? The question is, for you to get paid for this week, you have to job search for this week. At the hearing, the several months of job search need to be sufficient to show good faith that you'd be entitled to a weekly check after the hearing. Once you're under an award order, there is no obligation to job search. If you're not under an award order and you're on light duty, you have an obligation to job search. And this is going to be looked at with a fine-tooth comb with the deputy commissioner at a hearing and the other side. So they're always looking for loopholes, always looking for defects. So if they can find a defect, they can stop paying you a weekly check, or they will never have to pay you a weekly check. There are certain requirements, and then there are recommendations from me. The requirements are you must file with Virginia Employment Commission. Another requirement is you must look for a minimum of 5 jobs a week. My recommendation is 10, because if you look for 5 and 1 is found defective, and this is going to be determined several months later if it was defective or not, you don't get a weekly check for that week. And the last requirement is you have to contact your employer with your light duty restrictions and see if they might be able to accommodate you. This is all looked at in hindsight at a hearing 3 or 4 months down the road. So if you want a weekly check, it's very important to get this documentation together. Again, one of my recommendations of what we do here is we give those documents to the other side each week. The reason we're giving it to the other side each week is it shows good faith. What I like to tell people, think of it as a 40-hour week job that you need to be looking for work. If you've never been an astronaut, you can't apply to be an astronaut. If you've been a nurse or in the medical field, please fill out stuff in the medical field. It's annoying, it's difficult. People are going to be second-guessing your actions. And it's probably, in my opinion, the hardest part that injured workers have to do to get their benefits. And if you need any help, you can go on my website, the Virginia Workers' Compensation website, and get the forms and the charts for your proper documentation.